morning Instagram, good morning YouTube, good morning Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 21st September. We had unemployment claims a little bit earlier, about 30 minutes earlier. Prices have been moving down quite a bit so far. Pretty curious to see what happens now, especially since we're now reaching a previous pretty high consolidation area, and see if this 4 hour starts rejecting it. We've been pushed down at quite some time. I feel like we should start forming some type of support relatively soon. But we will just have to go ahead and just see how and when that will start forming. But right now I do feel like price will be getting much weaker towards the bearish side, and we should start being able to flip bullish. But for right now I do want to wait to get good confirmations until that happens. Miles is cracking, buddy. What's cracking? Good to see you, buddy. So far, I feel like we should be making a support here, Miles. Just because if you look at this 4 hour, obviously we've been very, very, very bearish ever since pre-New York. I would say almost London session. Pretty much, we've been super bearish. But with that being said, we're also reaching a super high consolidation area with previous resistance on the higher time frames. In my opinion, I feel like we will start rejecting around this 915.85 area, and we do have to be relatively careful. And I feel like we should be able to hit some type of support or start making a support and probably start pushing the opposite direction. Maybe for not long. This could just be a classic 30-minute retracement, but definitely want to be patient. Definitely not taking any type of sells. Yeah, we need that support. And it's starting relatively to form. It formed a little bit earlier, but definitely need to get a liquidity wick. Now we have that liquidity wick. The range wick's pretty good right here. I do like it, but obviously I do want a more full body candle. But yeah, guys, pretty interesting so far. Don't really have the charts marked up or nothing like that yet, but we can just take a look at it and have a pretty basic understanding. Alrighty, folks, so we do got that 4-minute support coming in. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit of laundry in the washer, kind of get my day a little bit somewhat ready. But I will be back before this candle close. I just want to get the close up there right now, but I'll be right back. even though we do have just a 30-minute support, I think something I do have to always keep in mind is that we are very bearish on the higher time frame. So I do gotta understand drawdown is gonna be part of this position. We do gonna have to have some type of liquidity wick that's gonna have to be formed until we start trading bullish. But I feel like that's all part of this trade right now. We're just gonna see how this position is playing out for us. I feel like I'm like like losing my voice or something. Yeah, I'm back too, bro. My apologies. Forgot to put the camera back up. What was you trading today, buddy? Was you trading gold or were you trading a little bit of US 30? Also, Miles, you generally trade London session, correct? Cause honestly, man, I hate to hear that, bro. Yeah, bro, that's rough, bro. But regardless, bro, just, you know what I'm saying, never let that discourage you, bro. And I can tell you're not discouraged because you showed up today as well, and I know you're still in your biggest interest to keep this shit moving. But yeah, gold's a motherfucker, bro. Alright, boys, can we finally get this little volume kicking in? Did you end up taking any trades on US 30, bro, or are you just talking about from those trades the other day? Because those trades the other day were really nice, bro. Yeah, bro, that shit was lit, bro. I did see that. You had like I think a few positions stacked up on it, and I like how you ended up managing those. It looked very well. Dinesh, what's going on, buddy? Currently just in a little buy position right now. It's pretty risky right now because we have higher time frames that are very, very bearish. But at the same time, we do have a 30-minute candle support near a 4-hour consolidation zone. So I was going to take that chance during the NYSE to see if we can get that volume pushed back up. So guys, 38 pips is the 1-to-1 ratio here. So once we hit 38 pips, I'll probably just close 90% and let the rest run. That just tells you how tired I am. I said 38%. I'm at 38 pips. Once we hit 38 pips, I'll go ahead and close 90% and then have the stop loss break even. So far, not so good, guys. So far, not so good. Position's kind of just, it's like in between. I can't say I feel like unconfident in the position, but it's dealing with definitely some drawdown that's definitely really necessary, but I just don't want to see a candle close like this. Super light position now, starting to kind of go a little bit more against me here at this time. We relatively went profits, but nothing near to where we hit a 1-to-1 ratio, so still gonna hold. You're taking put side trade. Yeah. I guess you could say yeah. I'm taking a put. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just gotta put in right here at this purple line. If we obviously hit our red, this will take me out of the position. This will hit the take profit. Currently just waiting right now. We do got 30 minutes and unfortunately I'm not liking how we are starting to close bearish. Oh my goodness. If we could just break the previous high of this candle, that would be super nice. Once we break this wick, guys, we should be able to keep pushing them quite strong. There we go, guys. We broke the wick, so at this point we should start continuing up quite nicely. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One moment. Let's go stop loss break even. Yeah, that's a very nice trade you had yesterday, bro. Honestly, really like that. Here we go, buddy. My apologies. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I like it, bro. I personally like the darker settings just because my room's relatively dark. You know what I'm saying? So I just don't have something so bright where it hurts my eyes. Oh, bro, and my apologies, bro. I'm not sad, bro. It's just I'm sleepy today, bro, to be honest, bro. I'm not sad. But hey, I appreciate your concern, though, bro. That's really nice of you, bro. But honestly, whoo. Definitely just sleepy, dude. Been working really hard and just waking up every single day really early. And it's kind of just getting to you after a while. But I can't, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to be like, give a negative attitude or anything like that. But woof. Definitely sleepy, bro. Super sleepy. But I'm here to make no excuses. But my apologies, Brody. Let me just remind you that it's really good seeing you, bro, and I'm really liking everything we got going on here. It's going really nice, and yeah, bro, this was just chilling out, bro. I had too much confidence in this trade, and yeah, bro, you know what I mean. So feeling good though, bro. Ooh. But yeah, buddy, dude, I'm not gonna lie. Just seeing some of the things you did with US30, bro, I will say very impressive, bro. That's a beast of a pair to trade. US30 is no joke, and I'm pretty happy with the positions you end up taking to make that happen, bro. It was very nice, very nice trade. Ooh, my God. But yeah, bro, wow. My apology for the low energy, man. Just sometimes, feeling a little sleepy, but just in these moments of discipline, you just have to just keep pushing through it and trying to, you know what I mean? Like in times when you don't feel like doing something, it's just the times you really need to take care and do those things. And ooh, I guess I could say that's one of those moments, man. I'm just like, took a little bit for me to get my head in the markets. I was like trying to fully get myself prepped and ready. I peeped the charts early at like 7 in the morning. I noticed that we were just, flooding down, and I knew at that point that there was no positions. And if I was just gonna be sitting there watching the charts just like melt down with like no possible entry, I was just thinking in my head like, dude, I'm gonna pass out on stream if I just sit here and just wait watching prices bleed down. Because when price is already in motion and it's just already like, way past any type of entry point, I'm not gonna enter off of greed or like the correct word is FOMO, and that's the word of fear of missing out. And I've definitely had my moments of like trading where I'm like, oh my god, like I see a move and it's like I missed the initial entry, and just seeing it move so much in that direction, like I'll just enter pretty much wherever. And like just having that fear of missing out, dude, that fucking gets me so bad, because then you'll have like a shitty ass entry, you go in like major drawdown, or you just hit stop loss like instantly, bro. That's just like, oof. That's never a good trade. You always feel better if you at least last in it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? At least manage it somewhat. But bro, if you enter a trade, hit straight stop loss. Like if it's like high volatility news, it's not a big deal. But if it's just like normal market conditions, and that shit goes straight to your stop loss, bro, that's embarrassing. That's like, oof. You're just, you know what I mean? Oh, bro, me too. Holy fuck. Like right after I hopped off the stream too. But yesterday was, I had things to take care of yesterday, so it really wasn't a big deal. But when I hopped down for pre-New York, yeah, I took that sell position because obviously it was like the top of the resistance. But wow, dude, it was such a bullish momentum. Like the 4 hours super bullish, daily was bullish. I just took like a risky ass little sell position yesterday. Yeah, it did not work out well. But literally at like 8:30, bro. Oh my god, bro. It was like so obvious to take a buy position. Like the amount of money you could have won yesterday was just absolutely nuts. The 100 pip move was just easily catchable. So yeah, bro, that shit was nuts, and that shit was lit. Yeah, that was, oof. I was hoping any of my boys in here caught that move. You know what I'm saying? My boy Woody Wicks, my boy Golden, my boy Miles. But hey, bro, I understand, bro. Me and you both missed that out. That was crazy looking. I was a little bit sad because it's such a classic play. Let me go back to it. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, bro. This is where I sold, bro. Right here. I sold right here. I sold at the close this because like I woke up just to make sure I could trade earlier than so I was basically trading pre-New York. And whenever I did this, I took this sell position like right here, stop loss above this. Yeah, obviously did not work in my favor, but my point to this is though, right here at 8 o'clock, right before NYSE, this is the 30 minutes before NYSE, we clearly broke the resistance. Once we broke this resistance right here to the left, oh my god, the entry is obviously right here. Just hypothetical purposes, you know, so it's just more clear, everybody can see what I'm talking about. Stop losses would have been just below this candle, and something will look with something like this. But holy fuck, I mean, this moved up 144 pips, and I would say within about 4 hours. But the major position, dude, within 30 minutes, dude, it moved like, let's see, within 30 minutes, within 30 minutes, price moved 100 pips, dude. That's nuts. Like, holy fuck. Yeah, if I was able to stay on the stream yesterday, I would have easily caught this play. This is so obvious right here, because all you would have to do is mark it out just like, and you already know what I'm talking about, Miles. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Something like this. Right? This candle's the one that broke out. Since this candle's the breakout candle, we're just going to take the buy position right there. Boom. Holy fuck. A little sad to be honest, but I'm not worried about those bigger, better things I had to take care of regarding like real life and personal things. So to me, there's a million and one more days that this exact move will happen again. You know, there's plenty of opportunities in the market. That's why I love Forex so much. And you know, there's just so many opportunities in the world that's just like I can't even trip over this. But I will say, phew, I took a loss yesterday, and it is what it is. But wow, if I just would have been able to like trade this session though, oh my god, I would have made up that loss by like 10 times just because of how fucking crazy it was. But let's see, waiting for the bottom change the color of the candles kind of makes it better. Hey bro, I fuck with that, bro. Personally, I kind of like this like little red and green. I just like that. I don't know why. It just looks like Raha Banks's. I guess you could say that, and I just like that. His little flat color. But hey, bro, I fuck with the white though. The white's cool though. Really curious to see if we can hit the rest of that. Rahab Banks the GOAT, man. No, for real. Yeah, he really is. But I'm not gonna lie. I kind of copied how he's got his setup a little bit. I can't even say I copied it. I really did. Like I got like the same type of. I mean, it's a standard red and green candles, but yeah, I did copy that like a mug. Fuck yeah, right now. We're hitting 40 pips, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, bro, he is insane, bro, and I'm the same way, bro. I'm not bouncing mentor to mentor, bro. At this point, bro, I'm strictly like, bro, I'm SRC all the way. I don't do no. I mean, I do. Hey, listen, capital hungry too, bro. Capital hungry is crazy, bro. I need to understand macroeconomics more. That's something that's like 100%. I can 10 times my trading if I was able to. Not even if I am. I just need to study it more. Macroeconomics, understanding like technicals a little bit better. My fundamental trading is pretty good, but obviously I can always improve on everything. But definitely my technicals, bro, my macroeconomics and my understanding of like the United States dollar and like how it like reacts to like other pairs and stuff like that, bro, is like super important. I need to do better at that because it can make me like understand these trades much better. What is what, bro? I forgot what you said. Or I forgot what I even said. A lot of people do it. What is that? My apologies, bro. I don't know what you talking about. Just let me know what you mean when you say what is that. But yeah, bro. A lot of people do. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I did that one time. I mean, I went, but it was like everything happens for a reason, you know? Cause like I'm not gonna lie. I started with oh my god, I'm forgot what the hell they're called, bro. Like when I first got into Forex, it was called oh yeah, bro. I remember exactly what it's called. So when I first started trading Forex, bro, I was in this group. Not in this group, it was like this thing called iMarkets Live. And it's kinda like a pyramid scheme. And oh yeah, bro. Okay, yeah, okay, I'll explain it though. But it was I first got into it, it was iMarkets Live. I'm not gonna lie, like it was like alright. I'm not even gonna like hype them up or anything like that, bro. Honestly, it was kind of a waste of bread, but it got me into Forex, right? It got me into Forex, got me into the understanding of it, so I was like more curious to know everything else, right? Then I came across just like on some Instagram shit. I saw this dude named Daniel Savage, right? Daniel Savage, bro, he's like, you know what I'm saying, he's got like, you know, bands, he's in a McLaren, he's also trading, you know what I'm saying, he's got like fucking, like, yeah, he's got like just like, you know, straight out the bank, you know what I'm saying, with the little rubber bands on it, or not the rubber bands, but it's got like that little paper fold that's telling you like, he's got a bankroll. And so this nigga's got a bankroll on his shit. He's in a McLaren. It looked dope as fuck, right? And then on his caption he said an iMarkets live trader could never. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, when I seen that I was kind of like, I need to check this dude out, because I was like, I wasn't finding like the most success within iMarkets live. And I'm not gonna blame that on iMarkets live, bro. I just think it's more the things, bro. They had like so many things to learn from, bro. They like try to teach you how to swing trade, scalp, all these different pairs, bro. Like, I had my idea that, bro, I was gonna be able to trade, like, I was gonna trade any pair, bro. If I saw an opportunity, bro, I was gonna trade any type of pair. Like, anytime I saw an opportunity, like, I was gonna trade whatever pair had the best opportunity. But it's like, how are you gonna be able to do that when there's like 50 different pairs to trade from? Like, you're not gonna be able to focus in on like either one of these, right? So I was a little bit confused with that. And then so anyways, I looked at Daniel Savage's, you know, page and shit, and like his course was only like maybe like $350. So I was like, bro, $350, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? I've gotten a school book for some shit like that. You know what I mean? I was like, bro, like, I might as well buy that. And it was a one-time fee. It's like, bro, so I copped that shit, of course. You know what I'm saying? I learned from it. I learned a lot about like Fibonacci's and stuff like that. And I can't lie, bro, I really do feel like Daniel Savage helped me like know how to be profitable, bro. Like, he helped me hit like winning trades like quite a lot. I'm not gonna lie, like with a low account it was pretty nice. Like, I would like twin trade with Fibonacci's and stuff like that, and like I would use like a 10-cent lot, and there's a time like I hit like 25 pips and I had 4 trades open. So, you know what I'm saying, within that basically I made, you know what I'm saying, a cool little $100 just like real quick. And of course that inflated my ego a bit, and I started kind of over trading a little bit, where it was like I started like adding positions, like too much positions. And like there's a time, I ain't gonna lie, that fucked me up. There's a time like I lost, and I'm not gonna lie, I lost like a lot because I had like 5 or 6 different positions open, and that trade didn't end up winning. So I was like, oof, that made me realize, right? So then there's a day that I was watching this dude the same guy, Daniel Savage, and he was on an Instagram live, and I was tuning into his Instagram live, and as I was tuning into it, I noticed that somebody commented down. He was like, hey bro, who did you learn from? And he ended up saying he learned from Raha Banks. So when I heard him say he's learning from Raha Banks, I'm like, bro, who the fuck Raha Banks is, bro? So I was like looking dude up. Finally found out who dude was, and I realized he was going live on YouTube, and he traded pound yen, and he traded gold. And he was like, at that time, in that specific time too, times have changed now, the markets move different, but in that time he was profiting like 10 pips. It was basically like going on like how it's important to, you know, take profit on 10 pips and everything like that. And so that was very impactful to me. I would like come home every day after I used to work at a kill and slaughter floor, and every morning I didn't have time to trade New York session like at all, bro, because at my job I had to be there like pretty much 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. That's the exact time that New York session's going on. And I couldn't even watch his live stream like for real live. Like, I could watch it as I was going to work, which is what I do, but it was just shitty knowing that like I'm literally watching him like call out a position, the position wins, and I'm just like, damn bro, I can't even take that, bro. I'm about to be at work, bro. Like, that shit sucks. And yeah, bro, you ain't lying. Yeah, I'm probably saying all fucked up, but yeah, bro. My boy Raha Banks, bro, that motherfucker, like, he just crazy with it, right? I would come home every day from work, and I would watch his live stream, bro, to see how he traded, bro. And I was watching how he was like marking up his charts, because I was like, bro, that's crazy. Like, I've never seen someone do it live, because that was important to me. Because like everybody who I learned from or anything like that, it was always like pre-made videos. There was like pre-made videos, people talking about like stuff that's already happened. But they'd be like shit like this, like they'd just be like, yeah, so as you can see here, you know what I'm saying, we got this and this, you know, saying this resistance form, supports form. Obviously we have a breakout candle right here. This would be your entry point, just like that, like shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Just be like, okay, like you get an idea, but like in the moment though, it's so much more difficult, because it's like, dude, you can't tell the future, and it's like you can't fully know. And so watching Raha Banks do it on live, that was like super impactful to me. I was like, wow, like this dude's like, something else, bro. Like I want to do the same thing. You know what I mean? Like I was like, I want to do the same thing this guy does, and it really just meant a lot to me. So anyways, bro, I tapped in with him, bro. Very, very good. So then from Raha Banks, you know, I was with a group of people, and like I put them on, and these are like people that I know in real life. And one of them was NGC Witty Wicks, if you guys know who that is in my Discord. Witty Wicks, or his real name is Mario. That's my boy, and you know, a few other guys. We were like in like a little group chat and stuff like that over trading, and you know, I was telling him about Daniel Savage. I told him about Raha Banks. But then somebody else within our group, his name, he taps in from time to time too. He's a really good dude. He works on the oil rigs right now. Real hard working guy. I respect the fuck out of it. But yeah, so he working on the oil rigs, but his name, he come in here sometimes. It's called Paulito's Way. He a Mexican dude. I fuck with him hella, bro. He's a cool guy. But yeah, isn't my boy Paul? He put me on to this dude named Capital Hungry, right? And that's exactly what I was talking about, Miles. This is where I was trying to get to that point. Capital Hungry, bro. He is like, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This dude's smart, bro. Like, real smart. Like, and obviously, it's nothing sets us apart. You know what I'm saying? Nothing sets me apart from Capital Hungry. Nothing sets you, Miles, apart from Capital Hungry, bro. It's just a matter of us putting in the time and consistency and the just applying ourselves to learn macroeconomics and understanding better with technicals, and using the fundamentals that we have along with, you know, technicals and macroeconomics as a confluence to help us trade. And that's something that I just definitely want to start applying more often, because I'm not gonna lie, dude, Capital Hungry, bro, is super intelligent, bro. This dude catches fucking fire ass positions, bro, all because, bro, he's able to, it's almost like he's able to read the markets. And the reason why I say that is because he understands how the central banks trade, you know. And if you can understand how central banks are trading, that gives you such a big edge in the markets, because you're going to be able to tell kind of why and how. Like, obviously price pushes up, right? Price pushes up hella fat, price pushes down hella fat, but it's more like why exactly. Like, yeah, we know that there's volume within New York session, yeah, we know there's volume in NYC, all these things, but the big thing is, though, who the fuck is pressing those buttons, though? Who's actually the one behind the scenes, like, making these big moves happen, right? It's not no little fucking trader with an account like mine. Fuck, even $100,000 account to these guys is fucking like pennies. These guys trade with trillions of dollars. You know what I'm saying? Billions, millions. You know what I mean? And like the central banks, bro, they're the ones that make up these huge ass fucking moves. And you know, that's where in central banks, political figures, like it's actually very, very interesting. It's kind of wild. Even like wars, bro. Like, you know, certain things that China, Putin, United States, Biden, like everything that they do in regarding, like if it comes with the oil, like it affects gold. You know what I'm saying? It truly does. You know what I'm saying? It affects gold and how gold moves. And it's just like, yeah, but that's what makes me exciting for the future, because it's like the better and better we get at this, the more understanding we're going to have this. That's why I just can't ever, that's why I never want to give this up, and I won't ever give this up, because it's like there's so much to learn, and I'd feel like an idiot, bro. I've already put so much of my life and time into this that I'd feel like it was for nothing if I just gave up. You know what I mean? Like if I just gave this up and I was like, whatever, like I feel like that would be a moment in my life where it's like, I might as well just kill myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, to be honest, like, what the fuck? Like, it would just be, I don't know, it just don't seem like something I would ever do. And, yeah, bro, it's just one of them things to me. I'm just like, yeah, nah, like, yeah, I'm just too dedicated, too focused. And, not to mention, I just can't see myself, I'm not greedy as well, bro. Like, when the time comes, the time's gonna come, bro. Like, I mean, as y'all can see, I mean, yeah, I'm hitting nice trades and whatnot, but like at the end of the day, I know it's only at 1.5%, and 1.5% on a fucking $1,200 account's not really shit. I'm not making no $500 days, nothing crazy. I'm just getting the consistency down, because I know within time, having that consistency of hitting fucking fire ass trades every fucking time, every morning, all that shit's gonna mean everything in the world. Like if you can't trade a $100 account and make money, you're never gonna be able to trade, you know what I'm saying, a fucking $100,000 account. You know, you're just not. So it's like, that's kind of like where I reside with that. And yeah, it's just, pretty nice. And I'm not gonna lie, this is mind blowing in itself. Yeah, bro, exactly, bro. You know what I mean? Like, bro, fuck it, bro. It doesn't matter. And hey, bro, I see you going crazy with it, bro. So like, bro, that only makes me happy, bro, for real. You know, Miles, for real. Like, bro, if you saying you making sense, bro, I seen you the other day, bro, hitting like a $550 trade, bro. That's fucking amazing. Like, that's the shit I love to see, bro. And I just want to let everybody know that I'm not the type of dude that I'm like ever envious, jealous, none of that bullshit, bro. Like, on everything, bro, I'm trying to see everybody succeed. Started with cents, we ended with millions, boy. At NGC Los on my right, we need that Lambo, right? Yeah, bro, you ain't even lying, bro. No cap. Hey, but more than that though, we just need to, you know what I'm saying? Before I buy any crazy ass whips, bro, I'm gonna buy me some properties, bro, to make sure I got some good residual income coming in. And when I got shit coming in like that, bro, and I do want to start a little clothing brand, to be honest. Like when the money starts coming in very well with Forex, I do want to start a clothing brand. The clothing brand, I like fashion, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I could advertise this shit well. And yeah, I'm trying to put on some drip. You know what I'm saying? Make motherfuckers slip and shit behind me. Yeah, but hey, it depends on your lot size though, bro. Damn, I'm looking like a bum right now. Hold on. Man, I know, bro. I'm saying, bro, we gotta get the boys back here, bro. NGC's gotta be a real thing, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. That's the whole thing I got this community for, bro. Is just to have like a big community on NGC, bro. Just basically just never get comfortable, man. That's the whole idea behind it, bro. And I just want to make. I'm an amateur trader, bro. I know with the amount of practice and the effort I'm putting into this shit, bro, I will become a professional trader. I want to see the same thing from everybody else because honestly, bro, I'm doing nothing different than anybody else. That at least, you know what I'm saying, as long as they have time to trade in a certain session, bro, I'm doing nothing different than anybody else. Like, if you have time to trade in London session, bro, trade London session, bro, but do it consistently. Do it every day. Do it, not every day, but, you know, Monday through Friday. And do it to where it's like, you trade London session, but you only choose either one or two pairs. Don't try and be like a guy where you're trying to trade every single pair, whatever pair gets you the best opportunity. Because at the end of the day, bro, there's like 50 pairs to choose from or more than that. Good luck. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, it's going to be hard to keep track on each price and, you know, what's going on where and all types of shit. So it's like, yeah, bro, it's so much better just to just lock it in like that, bro. And man, I just know that the people in my Discord, bro, we're just gonna be getting to it. Yeah, bro, I don't even care, bro. That's the thing. Like, that's why I try and like, I don't even care about it. Like, at the end of the day, for me, I'm posting charts even if no one even reacts to it, cause this is how it is. You know, just I appreciate you posting it, bro, because at the end of the day, bro, it makes me feel good because, dog, who cares about who reacts to it, bro? I mean, I know there's probably 30 people in that motherfucker, but as long as we show that shit consistently, bro, people will start getting used to it and start being like, oh, maybe I'll start posting my charts. Maybe I'll start doing this. But if, like, no one does it, no one ain't gonna do it. And I don't blame you, bro. Like, if you don't feel like doing it, bro, I'm not even gonna trip, bro. Like, it is what it is. But I'm gonna be posting that shit 100%. Oh, bro, not hella, bro. Not hella, bro. This is a 56. This is 56 pips right now. My lot size is super low right now. I closed 90%, bro. Super low amount, bro. It's down here at the bottom left. Barely shit, bro. To be honest, barely anything right here. I already closed majority of my position off once I hit my 1-to-1. If I were to keep holding, it could be more for sure. But yeah, bro. Right here, dollar amount, bro. It's not hella, bro. Keep it G. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. It's really not. But at the end of the day, just trying to get these moves down every single day is what's important to me. That's what it be like, Dinesh. I'll go ahead and post something to kind of give you a better idea in my Discord to have a better idea like what the purposes of lot size and how they can act. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Yeah, bro. I mean, that's just like the idea behind it, bro. But Miles, like I said, bro, don't even. You know what I'm saying? It's not even a big deal for real. You know what I'm saying? Like yesterday, I was a little busy and I forgot to post one of my charts. I got two posted. I have two charts to post today. But regardless, though, folks, I am gonna hop off here. I got like maybe, you know what I'm saying, about 30 minutes up until I gotta get myself ready. Uh, I gotta get myself ready for the butcher stuff. You know, I gotta do a little bit of meat cutting and stuff like that. So, you know, gonna be doing stuff like that. But regardless, man, yeah, buddy, it was great seeing you guys, man. Dinesh, it was great tapping in with you, bro. I hope you have a great day today, Dinesh, and good luck to you, bro, with your the trading in the Indian markets, bro. Honestly, bro, I know you're killing it. And Miles, my guy, just take it easy, bro. And we're gonna see each other tomorrow, bro, for real. Real good talking with you, bro. And yeah, man, let's make it happen, bro, every single day. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Looking like we might have price start coming back down. If it comes down, hit stop loss break even, fuck it. But if it just holds right here, it comes back up. Hey, we'll just see how it goes. I'll make sure to update you guys later today. Feel free to DM me on Instagram. Feel free to talk to me on Twitter, bro. Feel free to talk to me on Discord, whatever it may be. But I'm here, and we're in it together. Sometime I'm pretty much thinking, I think maybe on certain Saturdays, bro, I'll try and get everybody together. Just whoever wants to join through my Discord, bro, I'll just like start a Zoom and we'll just start back testing together. You know, just do like maybe like a little 1 hour session just to keep everybody kind of together and just kind of make it more of a community impact. But regardless, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. God bless everybody, and see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Well, before I dip, I want to see what it is tomorrow, though. So tomorrow's Friday. I forgot. Holy shit, this week's going by fast. Yeah, that's crazy. This week's going by hella fast. But yeah, I think Saturdays, bro. Saturdays be a good day. Saturday or Sunday, one of those two. Maybe Sunday, because Sunday is like obviously the next day for trading. Yeah, we'll plan on Sundays. So Sundays, I'll try and get a group on a Zoom call, and I'll just send out a link on my Discord, and we'll just all get together and do a little back testing. But yeah, tomorrow we got a lot. We got a lot of news. We got Purchase Managers Index tomorrow. London session is gonna be popping. Purchase Managers Index for them as well. Kind of wild. Pretty big day. So we're just gonna see how it's gonna go, guys. But thank you guys so much. And yeah, I think Sundays, every Sundays, I'm gonna go ahead and make it a thing to at least do 1 hour of back testing with everybody. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. God bless everybody, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.